I bet the little what's his name, I was freaking out.
Holy crap, it's blowing on me.
Huh?
It's blowing in on me. Stop it! Jeez, I told you it was blowing in on me. Holy crap.
I'm going to take pictures. Oh, no, sorry.
I'm recording.
Oh.
It's just raining real hard right now, guys.
Oh!
No!
Autograph! You just pushed her out the door and it's raining on the door, Austin.
You're rather wet.
You're a dork.
Oh, I'm not doing that. Oh. Because I have my shoulder on it, I thought I was doing it. Did it stop shaking?
Did what stop shaking?
You're doing that, Jonathan.
No, I'm not. Austin, stop. You're going to blow the light. So you guys were scared of the dark.
Stop it. Austin, go get pants on.
Mom?
It's
Go find some jeans on. Hurry.
All I found was the sewing one.
Hey, turn the satellite on in here.
Go within the window and go to the radar.
You can go to the radar on my computer.
Radar computer!
Well, it has also news on that too.
Look at the water pouring off the house.
Yeah, that's what
Is that what you're going to look at?
Yeah, that's what I was...
Whoa.
Yeah, it was like...
Where?
It was...
Look! It looks like it's like sprinkling off of it. Oh, you see? Sometimes you can see
It's like pouring off of the house next door, or across the street.
Mom?
Huh?
Oh, you see?
Put the seat in here, back up. I want to show you something.
You guys see it?
You pressed it.
Yes, exactly, because you won't move. When I... That house over there, see that one with, what's Riley? One time it was raining so hard, it was hitting the roof like that and just shooting streams.
Wow.
It was that one time that
Notice nobody's out waiting for the school bus.
Yeah. What time is it?
7. Whoa. I can't hold the door open. It'll be okay. There's nothing coming right now. I'm watching, honey. Oh. Whoa. Honey, we're okay. Yeah, we gotta stay here. Go get in the bathroom, okay? You're scared.
Yeah, so long too late for that too. Falcon, Lando.
Austin, get some jeans on, please.